Hello there, and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1-minute English videos, helping you learn English fast. During the 2008 global financial crisis, banks lost billions and billions of pounds. And here in the UK, to try to repay these debts, the government slashed public funding. They cut the money that was available for schools, for hospitals, for libraries, for daycare centres and so on. And now we're facing the inevitable economic downturn that's going to follow the coronavirus crisis. There's a real fear here that yet again it's going to be the poorest members of society who are made to bear the brunt of the financial fallout. If you bear the brunt of something, or you're forced or made to bear the brunt of something, it's usually something unpleasant and you suffer the main part of it. So the poor were made to pay more than anybody else, whilst wealthy companies continued to get tax breaks. In the same way, here in the UK, black and minority ethnic group people have borne the brunt of the coronavirus crisis. Deaths among black and minority ethnic groups are 4 times higher than they are among white people. If you've liked this video, please click the like button and subscribe, share it with your friends. And in the comments section below, we'd love to hear other examples of how you might use bear the brunt of.